Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Top 5. In this video we are going to talk about Top 5 Best Microwave Oven. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel to join our family. Do you want to buy a microwave but are unsure where to start? No worry, we've put up a comprehensive microwave buying guide, with a list of the top convection microwave ovens for your home. They were chosen based on price, reviews, ratings, and user feedback. We've compiled a list of the best convection microwave ovens. If you want to buy them online, you can do so at Amazon for the greatest price. I've also covered microwave oven types, differences between solo, grill, and convection microwave ovens, microwave oven size, microwave oven features, power requirements, capacity, and microwave oven warranty. As a result, you will be able to choose the best microwave oven on the market. I compared over 25 best microwave ovens from 5 best microwave oven brands, and finalized the top 5. So let's get started. Number 5. Toshiba ML-EM45PIT. BS, Microwave Oven Review 2498 rating 4.4. This Toshiba 1.6 cu. Fort. 1250 watts microwave oven with its black stainless steel finish, and timeless look can match different kitchen styles. It features a smart sensor function with 6 auto menus, auto defrost and 1 lb. Defrost for quick defrosting. Cooking with 10 adjustable power levels, soften, melt function, express cook buttons for 1 to 6 minutes, memory function etc. It is equipped with a bright LED light, glass turntable, energy-saving eco mode, mute button, clock and kitchen timer. The bright LED digital display, easy-to-read control panel and easy-to-grip door handle further improve the user experience. Product dimensions 19.2 by 21.77 by 12.99 inches. Item weight 28.7 pounds. Manufacturer Toshiba. Customer reviews 4.4 out of 5 stars, 2,631 ratings. Price $180. Number 4. Nostalgia RMO4AQ review 3035, rating 4.7. If you are searching for a solid microwave that fully embraces the retro look from the 50s, then we think the Nostalgia RMO4AQ is worth your time. This cool throwback appliance delivered solid results in most of our tests, and looked great while doing it. It did particularly well with frozen foods and defrosting and is fairly easy to use. It might not be the best you can get, but it looks awesome and gets the job done. Our first round of evaluations looked at how the Nostalgia RMO4AQ did at heating, or reheating up leftovers, soup, and pizza, as well as how fast and evenly it heats overall, using a heat map, and a time trial with a controlled volume of water. The Nostalgia RMO4AQ did with pre-packaged frozen food items, specifically looking at how this microwave did with a personal serving of lasagna, a hot pocket, and a small burrito. Digital clock. Easy to read LED display, lights up the digital clock and highlights each cooking setting. Even cooking. Rotating glass carousel helps cook food evenly. Product dimensions 19 by 17.9 by 11 inches. Item weight 30 pounds. Manufacturer Nostalgia. Item model number RMO4AQ. Customer reviews 4.7 out of 5 stars, 3,198 ratings. Cooking power 800 watts. Cooking settings 12. Price $102. Number 3. Toshiba ML-EC42PBS. Microwave Oven Review 4005 rating 4.4. This Toshiba 1.5 cu. Fort. 1750 watts microwave oven with black stainless steel finish, and timeless look can match different kitchen styles. It features healthy air fry function with 10 auto menus, convection function with 4 auto bake menus and 4 auto roast menus, sensor function with 13 auto menus, 1 touch popcorn button, easy defrosting by weight, time, microwave cooking with 10 power levels, warm hold function, express cook buttons for 1 to 6 minutes and memory function. It is equipped with bright LED cavity light, a glass turntable, energy-saving eco mode, mute button, clock and kitchen timer. The bright LED digital display, easy-to-read control panel, and easy-to-grip door handle further improve the user experience. And the stainless steel cavity is scratches and rust resistant, also easy to clean. Product dimensions 20.47 x 20 by 12.83 inches. Item weight 40.8 pounds. Manufacturer Toshiba. Capacity 1 cubic feet. Domestic shipping. Item can be shipped within U.S. cooking settings. 10 power 1000 watts. Customer reviews 4.5 out of 5 stars. 157 ratings. Capacity 28L can fit a whole roasted chicken, 12-inch pizza and 8 by 4-inch casserole. Price $190. Number 2. Panasonic NSN97JS Review 4558. Ratings 4.5. Panasonic 2.2. NN-97JS. Microwave. The most stylish and elegant-looking appliance from this iconic brand. Finished in stainless steel, it has a cool, understated appeal that will look smart in any contemporary kitchen. All the exterior features are a slightly different shade of gray, which gives it an almost granite effect. The control panel is neat and symmetrical, and that makes it really easy to read and use, and even the LCD is crisp and clear. The whole ensemble screams quality. A substantial 2.2 cubic feet of cooking space is more than enough for most large families, while the small footprint inspired Panasonic to name this feature maximum interior, minimum footprint. Though this is accurate, there's little difference in size between this appliance and the NSN97JS model. Product dimensions 19.5 by 23.9 by 14 inches. Item weight 43.4 pounds. Manufacturer Panasonic. Large family size. More inner space. Voltage 120 volts. Customer reviews 4.5 out of 5 stars. 4781 ratings. Energy consumption 1250 watts. Price $197. Number 1. Galanz GLCMKA07RDR-07 Review 4846. Ratings 4.6. The Galanz microwave overall is a nice appliance with a lot of features. There are a lot of positive aspects to the microwave. The Galanz microwave provides 700 W of power output for a 0.7 cubic foot cooking area. I ordered the retro red color, and think both the style and color are rather fun. The finish of the microwave does not allow a lot of fingerprints to show quickly, which is a good thing. I really appreciate that the microwave has a rotating cook plate, which allows for more even cooking. In comparison to my larger, but older, 1200 W 1.2 cubic foot microwave oven, cooking time for a completely frozen canister of soup took 6 minutes instead of 5. Not bad for a significantly less powerful microwave. The rotating dial allows a quick addition of 10-second increments to cooking time, or pushing in the no allows addition of 30 seconds at a time. The controls are very easy to use and are reasonably intuitive for quick and easy microwave use. The display is a nice size to show cook times and the clock, and the 4 beeps that indicate cooking is complete is a pleasant and loud enough sound. Reading the instruction manual, I was quite impressed with how you can program the microwave for different power levels and cook times, even in multiple increments, from the simple controls. For example, you can tell the microwave to run at 20% power for 2 minutes, and then 100% power for 40 seconds. Brand name Galanz Model Info GLCMKA07RDR-07 Item weight 24.1 pounds. Product dimensions 17.81 by 13.75 by 10.31 inches. Efficiency dough energy use 700 watts. Capacity 0.7 cubic feet noise 42 decibels installation type countertop part GLCMKA07RDR-07 form factor standalone special features kitchen timer, clock, defrost, digital control, SAFTT lock color retro red, voltage 120 volts wattage 700 watts, countertop microwave oven, 1x glass tray, 1x roller ring, 1x shaft, 1x power cord. Batteries required? No counter depth 17.81 inches price $60. Let us know if you have any question and comment below. All links are given in the description below. Just click the price out by clicking the link. If you enjoy this video, please like the video, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.